I am in Nandi Hills, which is a getaway place to the north of Bangalore. In the previous video, I had walked up to the sunset point and then walked around to this side, took some pics, and then had gone to the sunrise point. In this video, I would be walking to the park and then till around this area and try to capture some pics. I would then continue to the north side, take some more pics, and then hurry back to the sunset point, hopefully in time to capture a good sunset. You get tea and snacks around this circle. The shops aren't crowded, but I also don't see people hesitating to buy outside food. I plan to see if I can capture anything interesting in the park. I'm hoping that I would get some good shots with the sun streaming through the trees. When I went to the sunrise viewing point, there were so many people who approached me and asked me to take their snaps. I think I should probably start an alternate profession. Just set up a shop here and then charge people. In fact, it's also good that you get to know a lot of people, and some of these people have come from Andhra Pradesh, and one of the guy told me that, when you come here to my town, just give me a call, we will meet up. That's something nice where you can connect with people and make new friends, or at least acquaintances. I saw two monkeys chilling out in the park bench. I think the rustic color of the bench and the monkeys would make this an appealing pic. I'm checking out different perspectives and see if I can create a drama with the sun rays. Sometimes you get great shots by showing perspectives which otherwise aren't viewed from that angle. Time to move to the next location. If I had more time, I may have tried out some more shots. The interesting challenge is to capture the extraordinary in the ordinary. The city view is hazy. If I was here early morning, it may not have been this hazy. It may have been cloudy but not hazy due to the pollution. I had to keep looking at the other camera because there were a couple of naughty monkeys around, and then there was this guy who was busy minding his own work. That's two monkeys on either side of the frame. On normal days, this side of the walkway would be packed with cars. Hello there! I like this side of Nandi Hills. On clear days, you get amazing panoramas. And on cloudy days, you get amazing view of the low-hanging clouds over the village. This is also the point from where you can paraglide down the hill. I got the organizer's contact number. You land in an open ground and they bring you back in the car. That's someone paragliding, which I caught in the photo. I like the look of the dry grass. However, I could not justifiably capture the beauty of it.
We don't want to walk, that's why we had like going
We're going in the car. For a long time, the two of them were locked out of their car because a huge monkey was standing on the roof of the car, trying to retrieve a chips packet which was placed in the dashboard. So don't ever keep eatables in the car or carry them around. I'm hurrying back as the sunset time is approaching. Ha! There you can see the horizon. As you can see, most of the people have gathered around here to watch the sunset. There, as I had hoped, I could see the reflection of the sun on the water body. Unfortunately, I could not capture the sunset over the horizon because of the hazy sky. I found this pic very compelling. A couple sitting on the hilltop overlooking the valley, probably discussing their future. That's another couple taking their selfie. There was a Polish couple along with this foreigner who had got super excited seeing these people play Holi. The Polish couple was telling me that they were happy that they were in India because in their place there was a strict lockdown. That's all in this video. Do like, comment and share. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do so. All this helps the channel a lot. Thank you.